like a team bus, but I'm guessing that guy's got plexiglass all over, right?
Yeah. You would think
like he is in his own little bubble, right?
Yeah.
So okay, we're good.
You would think.
But yeah, Minnesota's fine. I think they're supposed to reopen their facility this morning, right?
Tennessee's going to remain closed until further notice.
But Minnesota is getting ready to play.
Correct.
I don't know who they have. Houston. I'm not even sure. But they're playing.
Unless somebody tests positive today or tomorrow.
So there is no Steelers-Ravens game. Sorry, there is no Titans-Steelers game, period. They basically have a bye week.
So what they're doing is they're making the Ravens move their
practicing
bye week. So they're moving the Steelers-Ravens from week 7 to week 8. Steelers and the Ravens both have a bye in week 8. The Steelers and the Titans are going to now play in that week 7. The Titans have a bye in week 7. So one of the two teams that was scheduled had a bye, and they're asking the Ravens to move their game.
And the Ravens are like, no, I don't want to. I mean, they're asking the Ravens. I mean, hey, they're telling them. Because we're all in this together.
Is this the right?
Another one of those code words.
Did they do the right thing?
I don't know how bad the situation is in Tennessee, but I think you've got to look at precedent and be concerned that we're going to have this happen all winter long. What happens when guys come down with the flu? We're going to see it with kids in school. We were talking about this a few weeks ago. Kids are going to get normal flu. They're going to have flu-like symptoms.
In the locker room. We have guys on the injury report for flu-like symptoms, didn't practice this, did not participate, flu-like. Ooh, is he going to be able to play on Sunday? Well, now it's going to be like flu-like symptoms. Like, okay, well, we're going to get tested, right? We got to get him tested every single day. Okay, are we sure it's the flu? Because we would be careful. He's got symptoms. So we cancel other games? Do you think every team in this league will play 16 games this year? I say no.
I'd say it's
no.
Every coach that I talk to pretty much says the same thing.
No.
So some games are going to be canceled.
Yep. And it's not going to be equal to everybody. We're going to go through the same thing they went through with Major League Baseball. It's not going to be fair. It's not going to be equal, and some teams might get screwed upon. But I think you're right. I think there's no way that you're going to get every team in the league play 16 of them. Remember our friend Rob Parker? He suddenly loves the New England Patriots. I have no idea what happened. He spent the last 15 years just destroying them. And every time he's come on the air with us, destroying Brady.
In a big game, I'd take Eli over Brady.
Suddenly he loves the Patriots. I don't know why. We'll find out. He's going to join us at 3 o'clock. We got a mystery guest coming at 4 o'clock. And that new quarterback of the New England Patriots that everybody nationally is in love with, 4:30, we'll hear from Cam Newton. We do it all on OMF.
Sunday. Is your second due. But don't delay. It's important that you act now while